Dear people, watching and listening, Assalamu alaikum. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please support my channel by contributing to my Patreon account so that I can continue making the audiobook series. Tipu Sultan, who was the ruler of the kingdom of Mysore in South India, during his reign used to write down his dreams. They were penned down by Tipu himself in Persian language dating from 1785 to 1798. The penned down dreams are 37 in total. After the fall of Seringapatam in 1799, the manuscript was discovered by Lieutenant Colonel William Kirkpatrick after a thorough search of his bedchamber during the ransack of Tipu's palace. The manuscript was so well hidden that even Tipu Sultan's confidant Munshihabibullah had never seen it before. The letters have been translated into English by Dr. Mahmood Hussain, former Minister of Education and Professor of History in the University of Karachi, Pakistan. Sayyid Muhammad Aslam's Dream. Sayyid Muhammad Aslam, a divine residing at Kolar, sent a memorandum to the prince saying that in the month of Rajab al-Murajjab, the day being Thursday, he had received the following tidings in the course of a dream. The Imam of the world was sitting on a red floor. The Fakir was also in attendance. Suddenly Hazrat Shah Murtaza Karamullah Wajhu arrived. The Prophet seized Hazrat Ali's arm, brought him outside, and asked him to mount a piebald horse. The Prophet himself rode another one and fixed a naked sword on his shoulder. Thus the two departed. They had gone some distance when they saw hundreds of thousands of Nazarenes armed with guns. Suddenly there was a loud thunder from behind, and all the Nazarenes took to their heels. After covering about 2 miles, I saw the party returning towards the metropolis highly pleased. They stopped at another place. Here the messenger of God, on whom be peace, was sitting on a prayer carpet, and near him was a boy 5 to 6 years old. Many leaders of religions were present in a row like followers in congregational prayer. In the meanwhile, Hazrat Murtaza Ali said to the Messenger of Allah, pointing to the boy, that he, the boy, was the Sultan. The Hazrat thereupon uttered the words, Da'imun Qaimun and Da'imun Qaimun. Hazrat Ali then asked the names of the companions of the cave to be inscribed on his, the Sultan's standard. After making an obeisance, I went out and saw all the 7 Khwajas, clad in shreds and patches, going. Someone asked a servant as to who these dignitaries were, and he replied that these were Khwaja Yusuf Hamdani, Khwaja Bayazid Bastami, Khwaja Abdul Hassan Kharqani, Khwaja Bahauddin Naqshband, and Khwaja Abu Mansur Maturidi. The Shahanshah came. All then made an obeisance and left. End of Sayyid Muhammad Aslam's dream.